6.10 Program Compilation and Execution. The two steps I have explained in the first chapter in detail. However, for the sake of integrity, just I brief it. What is compilation and execution? Now, we write our program in English like language only. Now we have written many programs in C language. All are like English, short forms of English, like main, include, void, int, float, char. All are English short forms. But this is for convenient for us because we can easily remember things. Main, we can easily remember. Include, we can easily remember. So almost all the code, one or two programs if we write, all the elements are registered in our brain because these are short forms of English. But the processor, actually where actual execution is made, processor, its language is binary. This is binary is 1 and zeros. 1 and zeros. So processor cannot understand our language. Our language. For our convenience, we have chosen a language. Understand? This is called high level language. Now, this is C language we are using. Now, you do not know my language, I do not know your language. Then, how can we interact our ideas? Then, compiler. Compiler is a translator. Compiler is a translator at both ends. Whatever code you give, it translates and provides it to the processor. Processor, it translates in the binary form. So, binary is its mother tongue. That's why processor can understand it and it can process it. It is meant for that. It will process it, whatever manipulations you require and all that. If you want sum, it makes addition. If you want a difference, it makes subtraction. Like that, processing it makes. And again, it delivers the result in binary form only because it does not know anything except binary. So, it delivers the result in binary. Again, those results are delivered to us. If those are displayed on the monitor screen, in the binary form, we cannot understand. Then again, the compiler takes the data and translates in a human form and displays on the monitor screen. This process of translation, I do not know your language, you do not know my language. You want to learn something from me. What should we do? We appoint a translator who knows both the languages. Then whatever I teach, this translator translates into your language and you can understand. Whatever you ask, whatever doubt or question you ask and all that, again translator translate into my language and tell. Then I can give an explanation, again it translates. This is the thing. This is both ways. Both ways. Then this is called translation process. Translation process is compilation. After translation, every data, all the operations are explained. Data and operations are explained to the processor. Processor in its mother tongue, that is binary. Processor is meant for processing and execution. It processes the data according to the instructions and delivers the data. That is called execution. So, compilation and execution are core activities. Compilation is a translation, execution is actual implementation. So, language to language, compiler to compiler, certain commands, specific commands are there for this process. Already explained in the chapter 1. Already you worked out many programs, and in all those programs you performed compilation and execution. So, this is the third aspect. Just you understand, in programming, 3 crucial aspects are there. The first one is designing. This is a totally human strategy, human activity. And the second one is coding. Coding means your strategy. All this you are transforming into a program, that is called coding. After coding is over, program to be compiled and executed, then only we can get the result.